Hello everyone, welcome back to Trial of Spices. Hope you all are doing good. Who doesn't love the tiny triangle samosa with spicy onion filling that was just right on the roadside and sold hot and with a cup of chai? It's just amazing. It is one of my favorite snack till now. My mouth is just melting when I'm explaining this recipe to you guys. So let's get started how to make Irani samosa with onion. We need 1 cup of finely chopped onions, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of cumin powder, finely chopped coriander, green chilies, 2 tablespoons of poha, and a store-bought spring roll sheets. In a bowl, add finely chopped onions, finely chopped green chilies and coriander. Mix cumin powder, salt and chili powder together. Add the powder as per your spice level. Add poha, mix it well. Add poha and mix it well. Adding poha helps in absorbing the water from the onions. Now I'm gonna make a paste to seal the samosas. For this I'm taking 2 spoons of all-purpose flour and some water. Mix it and make it into a fine paste without lumps. Now let's start making the samosas. Follow the steps I'm showing you. This is one of the easy ways to fold the samosas. Once you add the filling, seal the ends with the paste we did. Now we're going to deep fry the samosas. Deep fry the samosas in medium heat until they get golden brown. Remove them from the oil and serve it hot with fried green chilies on top of it. Enjoy the hot onion samosas. Please try the recipe, let me know how it is, or please comment in the comment section below. Please like, share and subscribe to Terra Spices. Thank you. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.